Let's be honest, you probably searched for how to make money online and gotten a mix of useless junk hype or people telling you to start a YouTube channel and wait for 2 years for a result. In today's video, I'm giving a to you straight, practical, realistic, and step-by-step ways to earn money online in 2025. Even you have zero experience, no audience, and no technical skills. I will walk you through what I would personally do if I were starting from scratch today. And by the end of this video, I'll show you how to turn your first few dollars into a system that pays you passively every single month. So let's get started. First things first, you need to understand how people make money online. It boils down to three things like you sell your time or skills on freelancing platform, or you sell a product like digital products, courses, templates, etc. You can promote someone else's product that will earn you a commission. You can call it affiliate marketing. That's it. The tools and trends change, but the fundamental stays the same. You either provide value directly or you help someone else to do it. Now, let's talk about how to start it. If you need money first, start here. Freelancing means offering a skills to someone else in exchange for money. Don't have a skill yet? Good news, you don't need to be an expert. Here are some beginner-friendly services that people pay for. Some of our data entry, social media management, blog formatting, short-form video editing, transcription, simple website building with drag and drop tools like Go High Level and System.io. You can learn any of this in a week or two using YouTube or many free courses online. So actually, where to offer these services? You can offer these services on Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour, Facebook groups like need a personal assistant or looking for a video editor type groups. There's a fruit tip for you. Don't position yourself as I'll do anything. Instead, say I help courses, edit their TikTok content, or I manage inboxes for busy entrepreneurs. Once you get your first couple of clients, your goal is to build momentum and cash flow. What should you do with your first 100 to $500? So here's a smart move for you. Invest in tools that save time and let you deliver better results. You can simply buy a domain, set up a basic landing page. You can use Go High Level to do the work. Now, learn automation or no code tools. They are in demand and easy to sell as a service. You're not trying to scale big yet. You're just building a base income. You once you hit the $500 per month, you now have options. Freelancing is great, but trading time for money isn't scalable. So here is where we turn your income into a system that can run without you 24/7. There are three beginner-friendly parts. Number one, seller templates or digital product. You can create a Notion planner or Canva template or an email sequence. Sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own sales funnel. Simply promote through social media or small newsletter. You can make it once and you can sell it over and over. The number two, start a micro newsletter business. This is huge trend in 2025 using platform like Behave or Substack. Simply pick a niche like AI, tools, crypto jobs, areas to productivity. Share useful links, tips, or ideas 2 or 3 times per week. Like now you can monetize with affiliate links or sponsor once you grow. Even 500 to 100 or the 1000 subscribers can earn you $100 $1,000 per month. Number three, affiliate marketing without a blog. Don't want to make a product or just recommend the best ones and earn commission. You can create a three-part email series with a affiliate product, make a TikTok or YouTube shorts around the best tools for your target niche. You can use Go High Level to build landing pages and automate follow-ups. Here are some affiliate programs to check out. You can promote System.io, Go High Level, Pihi, AppSumo, and many more. Here is a pro tip for you. Try to choose a recurring affiliate program so you can get paid every single month. Now you have got some experience, income, and maybe even a small audience. Now, time to level up. Here's what I would do. Take your freelance service like link building, funnels, writing emails, and so on. Turn it into a packaged offer like the funnel launch kit for courses is $297 per month. You can automate delivering using Go High Level Notion, run an outreach, or create content to bring leads. You are no longer charging hourly, you are selling outcomes. This is where you can start earning 1,000 to 3,000 a month consistently. Want to know the difference between people stuck at $500 per month versus those who are making $5,000 per month? They use tools and automation. That's where Go High Level comes in. It's what I use personally. It lets you build funnels, collect leads, send automated emails and SMSs, track client conversations, set up appointments, sell services and courses. Basically, it replaces 5+ tools and save hours every week. I'll drop a link in the description to try it free or get my beginner setup template. Look, you don't need to go viral or build a seven-figure brand overnight. Just pick one method, offer a service, build a simple product, start a niche newsletter, or promote a tool that you love. All you need to be consistent, stack your wins. Your first $10 is proof, your first $100 means it's working, and from there it snowballs as long as you build the right system behind it. Comment below starting today. You're ready to take action. Smash the like button, subscribe for weekly guides. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.